Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and alignment. Plug the Magsafe puck into a 20W USB-C adapter and a live outlet. Once done, remove thick or metal cases so the magnets can seat properly. A Magsafe-compatible case is fine. Then hold the charger near the center back of the iPhone 12. Its magnets will snap into place. Make sure the iPhone displays the charging icon and 0-100% animation. This confirms correct contact and maximum charge rate. Once the magnet attaches, place the phone flat on a table to maintain alignment and steady current. Movement can reduce efficiency. Make sure the device doesn't overheat. If it feels warm, move to a cooler spot and avoid direct sunlight. Also, open settings battery health to enable optimized battery charging so the phone limits full charge time and reduces battery wear. These steps balance speed and longevity, giving you fast charging now while protecting battery health later. When charging completes, simply lift the Magsafe puck away. Because of magnets, you'll feel light resistance that releases easily. If charging doesn't start, reseat the puck at the center back, test a different USB-C adapter or cable, and remove any non-compatible case. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and check for iOS updates. Software can affect wireless charging behavior. One key tip: a soft reset plus trying a known good 20W adapter resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.